Well, it's a pleasure and a privilege to be here. I'm going to wrap this up quickly. But before we do this, I want us to give a huge round of applause and acknowledgement to Mr. Data for putting this on. Before I introduce myself, I just wanted to emphasize on why we are all here and to carry on what this gentleman was talking about. When I got the brief for this experience and I saw the title of this international conference, it's about restructuring of the global economy. Think about how powerful such a purpose is, right? And I often say, a vision is a blessing that the eyes of your mind has been graced to see. A powerful purpose transcends anxiety, a powerful purpose transcends perfectionism, and when a purpose is so strong, it makes ways for anything. So this is such a strong purpose, Mr. Data, so I really respect this, and I really respect every single one of you who's actually come down, created your case studies, and passionately presented them, right? So give yourself a round of applause, please. Okay, so this segment right here, we are focused on giving awards for the honorable fellowship, the honorary fellowship, right? So I'm going to call out the 6 people one by one after we go through some of their profiles. It's quite extensive, some of the profiles, we're going to cut them short. However, doesn't take away from the fantastic work you have been doing. And when I do call your profile out, kindly come down to receive a handshake from Mr. Data and for us to celebrate you accordingly. So the first person I'll be calling down is Professor Satu Hassan Lima, who is the Vice Chancellor of Nasarawa State University, Nigeria. Professor, the Vice Chancellor. So she's a transformative leader, as you can see. She's a transformative academic leader. Under her stewardship, NSUK secured NTU accreditations for 26 programs and introduced pioneering disciplines like data science, Islamic finance as well. Her vision has elevated NSUK to 8 nationally with enhanced global partnership, ICT-driven modernization, and robust research output. She has championed students, centered services, ethical governance, and entrepreneurship incentives that empower learners. Her leadership fosters industrial harmony and academic excellence, positioning NSUK as a beacon of innovation and integrity in Nigerian higher education. And as a Nigerian myself, who's lived in Nigeria, I must say I'm extremely impressed and extremely honored, and it's a privilege to have you here. Can we give her a round of applause, please?
Professor and down and we have also this one for you.
Next gentleman is Professor Dr. Hanam Dutt. Hope I enunciated that properly, right? Professor is the head of the University of Commerce at West Bengali State University, also serving as director of the Center of Skill Development and Business Studies and Center of International Studies. With 26 years of teaching experience, he holds multiple advanced degrees, including PhDs and DLIP, and has authored 53 books and 315 plus research articles. He has supervised 28 PhD scholars and adjourned 362 of these globally. He is a national academic leader, award-winning educator, and an editorial board member of several reputed journals. Professor, how do I say his name, sir?
My name is
Professor Hono is widely recognized for his contribution to finance, IT, academic leadership, and social work, and his excellence in research. Can we give him a round of applause?
Next one is the honorary fellow, the real please.
Well done, well done.
Also, this is
Sorry, we are taking pictures. Sorry, we are taking external pictures. We do have our official photographer at the back, so let's make sure that we're not blocking the way of the perfect shot, right? I know these are.
we do also group pictures in there.
Yes. Awesome. Right, next we have Dr. Emmanuel Atta Kumar Aponsa. He is the head of accounting, banking and finance department, Ghana Communication Technology University. Can we give him a round of applause, please? Dr. is a distinguished academic and senior lecturer at Ghana Communication Technology University, serving as head of accounting, banking and finance department. He holds a PhD in financial accountancy from SHUATS, India, and an MBA from SRM University, with over 20 years of experience in academia, administration and consultancy. He has held key roles across institutions in Ghana and India. He is the founder of Scholars Go, a GTEC program assessor and an external examiner. A receipt of numerous awards, Dr. Aponsa is renowned for his contribution to education, research, and leadership across Africa and beyond. Give him a round of applause.
And
Next, it's an honor to bring on stage Dr. Vidu Goel, Associate Professor, Business Communication Management Development Institute, India.
can I invite Professor Dr. David Graves?
Dr. Vidu Goel, Associate Professor and Chairperson, PGD MBA and PGDM Online at MDI Gorgon, is a dynamic educator with 20 years in excellence in training, research and leadership. He has led 300 plus MPDs from top firms and public sectors leading, including EY, KPMG, Deloitte, Coca-Cola, and IOCL. A Harvard certified trainer, spiritual practitioner, and NLP expert. She has authored 70 plus papers and 2 books, designed electives for MDIs and IIMS, and guided doctoral scholars. A multi-time best track presenter at global conferences, Dr. Gar is a passionate advocate for sustainability, ethical leadership, and value-based inclusive business education. Round of applause, please.
So please,
Joan.
what's important? Questions?
I don't know the registration fee for them.
Questions? Done. We don't know what you have done or not. Done? Done?
Video.
Oh,
I think the photographer's over there. Okay.
Yeah, hold on.
but thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Up next, we have Professor Dr. Michael Richard Wagner. Here we go. What's a round of applause as they come down? Mr. Mike is a seasoned human resource professional with leadership experience in employee engagement, survey design, compensation, HR strategy, analytics, and risk management at global and Fortune 500 companies. He brings a data-focused consultative approach that drives tangible movements in engagement and performance. In addition, Dr. Mike is the director of the MS in Human Resource Program at the Lindor College of Business and at the University of Cincinnati. He is also assistant professor, educator, teaching courses in compensation leadership, professionalism and ethics, and capstone for HRM. Previously, Dr. Mike was the vice president of compensation at the Fifth Third Bank, where he led a team responsible for the incentive design and compensation for all commercial bankers, capital market traders, underwriters, and call centers. Mike has also served in compensation and human resource analytic roles at American Express, AXA Equitable Insurance, and Mercer roles, and Mercer Human Resource Consultant. Mike received his PhD in organizational psychology from Columbia University in New York. His research on HR has published in peer-reviewed journals and has been presented at international business conferences. With a round of applause for Mr. Michael.
I did this myself. Okay. Thank you. Congratulations. Thanks. And all the fellows, heartiest congratulations from Center for Business. We have a group photographs, all the fellows. Please.
Last and the least for today, unfortunately is not here, but we're going to respectfully, give her accolades. Professor Dara Riff is a pioneering higher education leader and founding vice chancellor of two nationally recognized public universities in India, Pakistan. We have expertise in institutional development and academic innovation. She has successfully built inclusive educational systems from the ground up. With a strong focus on rural development and women's empowerment, her leadership brings strategic planning and community engagement. A doctorate professor of education, she has consistently overcome challenges as a female leader, setting the benchmark in academic excellence. Her impactful contribution continues to shape national and global education reforms, earning her distinction as a visionary and transformational academic leader. Can we give her a round of applause?
So that she could not be with us, I think she has some family issues, tragic news. She will be coming to our December conference, so we're going to confirm that time, the actual crest. Same time, thank you so much. You like to conclude?
Yes. So my name is Richard. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm an entrepreneur. I run one of the largest youth mindset motivational experiences in the UK. Per session, I have up to 500 to 800 students at the time. And my main focus on that is to help the young students and help the younger generation understand and appreciate the power of their minds as early as possible. And there's one last thing I would like to say whilst I'm on stage, and this is the epitome of this. I learned from Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins says human beings are our greatest resources. So we must keep operating with integrity, with love, and treat others how we would like to be treated, so we can effectively execute our goals and our dreams and add impact to humanity. Right? So I appreciate the time on here. We are going to be providing awards and recognitions. So I'm going to leave the floor and bring Mr. Data back on stage. Please give him a round of applause.